Greetings, this is Chris from Tantalizing Tech. CES 2023 completed recently, and Lenovo has unveiled some really new and exciting tech. This particular episode will only focus on the new Lenovo Yoga Slim 6i laptop. Please stick around until the end to see if this laptop is tantalizing. But first, hit the subscribe button and leave a comment saying, I subscribed, and I will do my best to personally reply to as many comments as I can. As I mentioned, we will now discuss the Lenovo Yoga Slim 6i laptop. In terms of the Lenovo Yoga Slim 6i laptop, as shown, this laptop comes in misty gray. Other color configurations also include storm gray. Furthermore, in terms of display options, we have a 16 by 10 display option with a 14-inch with 2.8K, which is 2880 by 1880, IPS, 400 nits, 100% sRGB, 120 Hz, TUV low blue light certification, matte display with an optional touch glass touch, and also Dolby Vision. The second display option includes a 16 by 10, 14-inch with 2.2K, 2240 by 1400 IPS, 300 nits, 100% sRGB, 60 Hz, TUV low blue light certification, TUV eye comfort certification, 93% screen to body ratio, matte display, and Dolby Vision. The next display option includes 16 by 10, 14-inch with Full HD, 1920 by 1080 OLED, 60 Hz, micro edge, anti-glare, low blue light certification, 400 nits, 100% DCI-P3 gamut, Dolby Vision, TUV low blue light certification, and matte display. In terms of memory options, you have up to 16 gigabytes of LPDDR5 memory, which is the latest and fastest memory. In this particular picture, we see the laptop in storm gray color. Furthermore, in terms of graphic cards, this laptop comes with the Intel Iris Xe option. In addition, this Lenovo Yoga Slim 6i laptop, as shown here in storm gray, weighs in at 2.89 pounds or 1.31 kilograms. Furthermore, this laptop, if we look at the right-hand side, and once again, we're going from left to right in terms of this laptop, has a USB Type-A 3.2 port and a combination headphone microphone port. And then shown in this particular picture, this laptop is in storm gray. Furthermore, in terms of battery life, this laptop has a 65 watt-hour battery life with a mobile mark score of 20 from 2018 of 9.4 hours. And again, this laptop is shown in storm gray. There's also a 60 watt-hour battery, which it has a mobile mark 2018 score of 8.1 hours. In terms of sound for the Lenovo Yoga Slim 6i laptop, we have the Dolby Atmos sound, Dolby voice. And as shown in this particular picture, this laptop is in storm gray. 2-watt speakers. In addition, this Lenovo Yoga Slim 6i laptop, as shown here in storm gray, has a Wi-Fi 6 option. In addition, this laptop has a Wi-Fi 6E option for the fastest Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, but this is only on the Evo processors. In addition, this laptop is certified to MIL STD 810H standards for durability and droppability. In addition, this Lenovo Yoga Slim 6i laptop has a full HD camera with camera shutter and dual microphones. In this particular picture, the laptop is pictured in misty gray. There's also an IR camera with camera shutter and dual microphone option. Chris is, hey, is this laptop tantalizing? And before we decide whether this laptop is tantalizing, I wanted to remind you to subscribe. This laptop is tantalizing. In addition, if you put in the comments that you subscribed, I'll do my best to reply to all of the comments. And now, the answer as to whether this laptop from Lenovo is tantalizing. The verdict's in. Oh yeah, this laptop is tantalizing. In the next couple of tables, I will show you why I think this. In terms of the left-hand column, I've included tantalizing features. In the center column, I've included monotonous features. And in the right-hand column, I've included unalluring features. Feel free to pause the video and review the monotonous and unalluring features of the laptop. I'll only concentrate here on the tantalizing features. So in terms of webcam, it has a full HD camera with camera shutter and dual microphones. It also has an IR camera with camera shutter and dual microphones. Furthermore, this laptop has up to 16 gigabytes of LPDDR5 RAM, which is the latest and greatest fast RAM. Other tantalizing features include video, which is 16 by 10, 14-inch with 2.8K, 2880 by 1880, IPS, 400 nits, 100% sRGB, 120 Hz, TUV low blue light certification, matte display with optional glass touch, and also Dolby Vision. In addition, it has a 2x2 watt speakers, Dolby Atmos, Dolby Vision, and in terms of connectivity, it has Wi-Fi 6 or Wi-Fi 6E option for the fastest Wi-Fi 6 connectivity. Feel free, as I mentioned before, to pause the video to go over the monotonous and unalluring features by yourself. Furthermore, the other tantalizing features include an HDMI 2.1 port. It also has, on the left-hand side, two USB Type-C Thunderbolt 4 ports and an HDMI version 2.1 port. In addition, it has two USB Type-C Thunderbolt 4 ports for data and transfer and video. Also, it has an audio headphone and microphone combination jack. And I know you might be saying, hey, Chris, why is that important? Why is it tantalizing? And the reason is a lot of laptop manufacturers aren't including this on laptops. So you have to carry around adapters or use Bluetooth to connect a microphone or headphone. In addition, for this laptop, even though the power adapter options aren't specified, they still are probably tantalizing for this laptop. As I mentioned before, for monotonous and unalluring features of this laptop, please pause the video so you can review those options on your own. Furthermore, other tantalizing features include specifications to the MIL STD 810H standards for durability and droppability. In addition, you have your choice of Windows 11 Pro or Windows 11 Home. And as mentioned before, review the monotonous and unalluring features by pausing the video. I would remind you, thanks again for watching Tantalizing Tech. I have been your host, Christopher. In addition, please subscribe if you feel that this video is tantalizing. Leave a comment saying, I subscribed, and I will do my best to personally reply to as many comments as I can. Wow, now that was tantalizing.